Virtual reality, VR, has revolutionized the way we experience digital content, and in 2023, the advancements in VR technology have reached new heights. With numerous options available, choosing the best VR headset can be a daunting task. In this article, we will explore the top VR headsets in 2023, considering factors like performance, comfort, affordability, and overall user experience. Whether you are a gaming enthusiast, a tech aficionado, or simply curious about the immersive world of VR, this guide will help you find the perfect VR headset for your needs. After hours of research and after taking expert advice, we have listed the top 5 best products in this video. The links for the product mentioned in the video or in the description box below that help us to find the best one for your budget. Number 1. The Phoebs Virtual Reality Headset for Kids is a limited Christmas edition VR goggles set that fits almost any iPhone or Android phone with a screen size up to 6.5 inches. It includes a free carrying case, a BT controller, and free VR content, making it a great gift for kids on any occasion. Free VR content, BT controller, and carrying case included, fits almost any iPhone or Android phone, with a screen size up to 6.5 inches, easy to use with a beginner's tutorial included, immersive and super comfortable, experience with larger lenses. A great gift for kids on any occasion. The headset is easy to use and comes with a beginner's tutorial. The virtual reality glasses designed with larger lenses provide an immersive and super comfortable experience. Number 2. 3D Virtual Reality VR Headset with Bluetooth Headset. The 3D Virtual Reality VR headset is a foldable, lightweight, and compact headset. It is compatible with iOS and Android systems, and has an HD screen that prevents eye strain. Foldable, lightweight, and compact, compatible with iOS and Android, prevents eye strain with HD screen, wireless Bluetooth headset, comfortable and easy to adjust for a perfect fit. It also features a wireless Bluetooth VR headset, and is easy to wear and adjust for a comfortable fit. Number 3. AMVR VR Stand. The AMVR VR Stand is designed to display and store your VR headset and touch controllers. It is easy to assemble and use, with a stable base that protects your headset and controllers. The head-mounted display tray is lens-friendly. Easy to assemble with only 4 steps, lens-friendly head-mounted display tray, stable base with lower center of gravity and wider posture, ensuring that the lens won't scratch when stored. With a stylish design, it's the perfect way to keep your VR headset organized and within reach. Number 4. Destech V5 VR Headset for Smartphone. The Destech V5 VR headset is compatible with smartphones with a gyro sensor and screen size between 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including for iPhone December 13, 2011, Samsung, and Android. It supports wearing glasses, and has a larger range pupil distance button. Additionally, it provides an immersive 3D experience with a 110 degrees field of view and a lightweight, portable design. Compatible with a wide range of smartphone models, supports wearing glasses for user comfort, provides an immersive 3D experience with a 110 degrees field of view, lightweight and portable for easy use at home or outdoors. Perfect gift for friends and kids to experience VR content. It is an excellent gift for friends and kids to experience VR content. Number 5. HTC Vive Pro 2 Virtual Reality System. Visualize and 5K clarity. Bring out the finer details, with combined 4896 by 2448 resolution. 5K resolution may be subject to processing compatibility. See more of your environment. A wide 120-degree field of view, FOV, expands the VR viewing experience. The increased angle better aligns with the human eyes, letting you see more naturally. Experience seamless visuals. Increase your visual comfort in graphics-intensive games and apps with a 120Hz refresh rate. Enjoy VR with hours on end. Comfort. Industry-defining balanced construction and adjustability. Provide a comfortable fit for VR sessions of any length and purpose. The headset fits a wide range of head sizes and vision types, even glasses. Find your sweet spot. Minimize eye fatigue with the IPD adjustment dial. Interpupillary distance, IPD, the distance measured in and between the centers of eye pupils.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.